At least 8 people are trapped after a roof collapse in under construction stretch of the Sri Salim Left Bank Canal, the SLBC Canal in the Nagarkurnool district of Telangana. The incident occurred when the workers were inside the tunnel approximately 12 to 13 kilometers and a section of the roof collapsed. Now, rescue efforts are on since yesterday. Army, NDRF, SDRF and NDMA have been pressed into action.
Yesterday, along with my officers, I inspected the place and the machine was found displaced to 8 meters distance. Similarly, pipes were strewn here and there, and water was filled up to level from the machine to 11-kilometer mark. So this is hindering the searching operations. As per the devastation that is observed there, I think there is a very less possibility. However, if there are any air pockets, people may take breath and they may survive.
So hopes are growing bleak as the hours are passing. This is the conveyor belt that is going into the tunnel and all the way up to 14 kilometers. Actually 13.5 kilometers is where this conveyor belt goes, and that is where it is in fact broken at the end, because of which rescue became quite a challenge for the rescue teams. The Minister Jupalli Krishna Rao, who has gone in along with the loco, along with the rescue team, spoke to NDTV and said that the hopes are looking a little bleak because the entire area where the tunnel boring machine is there the area is filled with mud and slush. What Nagaraj is trying to show you is to pan up and show you that this is actually at a depth of 400 meters from the ground level. We are actually inside almost a mountain which has been broken in order for the tunnel to be built in this area. Jaiprakash Associates, of course, the people who have built the tunnel. Twice before this kind of an accident has happened, and in that time, of course, we did not see casualties, but this time 8 people trapped inside, and what the authorities are telling us is that if they were to excavate the mud out and the water out and the slush out, it's going to take several days, and that's the reason why the Army, NDRF, SDRF went in with the kind of pontoons that fishermen use to try and slide across, and they also have men trained in order to be able to scale the rock and reach the other side, even though the waters actually are to a height of almost 20 meters. It's not just plain waters, it's actually mucky water that we are talking about. That is to a height of more than 20 meters. And rescue therefore looking difficult. The minister says that they are using every technique possible. One, of course, with the NDRF and others trying to excavate out the mud. The excavators will be a slightly slow process and a long process, whereas trying to reach them through these other techniques is what the authorities and the rescue teams are now trying to do, because it's been now going to be almost 30 hours since they were inside, and to rescue them at the earliest is the first priority of the government. At the SLBC tunnel accident site, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.